Hi, I'm Britta Plug. I'm a licensed esthetician and holistic beauty educator. I'm going to teach you a facial massage that you can do at home. Before you begin, you'll want to make sure that you have clean hands, a clean face. We're going to start by giving some love and attention to the back of the neck and shoulders. The neck is the superhighway for circulation to the face and lymphatic drainage coming down from the face. Next, use your 2 fingers below the jaw and 2 fingers above the jaw like a scissor. Come up to the ear and then gently down the side of the neck. Next, using your thumbs down the jaw muscle. The jaw muscle is between the cheekbone and the jawbone. And you can use fairly firm pressure here. The jaw muscle is very strong and often very, very tight. Next, using from index finger to thumb to stroke over and lift the entire lower face. Next, I'm going to use index finger and thumb to pinch all around the lips. This is super plumping and also relieves tension around the mouth. Start just outside the outer corner. Coming out to the forehead now, we're going to use knuckles to perform very light circles all over the forehead. And then stroking upwards from center of brows to the hairline. All right, you are all done. Facial massage helps to increase blood flow to the skin cells, enhances lymphatic drainage, helps to keep the muscles of the face healthy by relieving tension and bringing fresh blood supply to them as well.